Now that you have the know-how to shop right, let's talk about bringing it all home. How you cook is a powerful tool to prevent type 2 diabetes and other chronic conditions. Let's rethink how we cook.
Not encouraging anyone to make drastic changes overnight, small incremental changes. It's also really important to drink a lot of water with whatever nutritional changes that you're making. Always incorporate hydration in there. Healthy eating isn't just about choosing healthy foods, it's also about how you prepare those foods. So being mindful of the content that you're placing in that food. If you're a person who eats salads, that's a great thing. But if you're loading your salads up with tons of croutons and salad dressing, then you might be defeating the purpose there.
Grill or roast to reduce fat in your dishes. Use cooking spray. It will keep your food tasty without adding extra fat and calories. Simmer foods like vegetables in water. They'll be fresh and tender without adding fat like butter or oil. Cook big batches of food to reduce the amount of new dishes you'll need to make each day. Give leftovers a makeover.
I would purchase a rotisserie chicken and have that for dinner with some really healthy sides. It's usually large enough that you have leftovers, but a lot of times we don't want the same meal again. What I do is take that chicken that's remaining and make a healthy chicken salad with yogurt. Instead of using mayo, I use yogurt and I still put in some of my favorite ingredients and I make a chicken salad with it.
You have the power and tools. What tricks will you try from store to table?